This video shows how traffic traveling eastbound on Iowa Street interacts with an active rail crossing and the roundabout. As you follow through the video, watch how special traffic signals at the railroad crossing hold and release traffic in intervals after a train has just passed. This allows traffic at the roundabout to move more smoothly and increases safety at the railroad crossing for motorists, so vehicles don't block the railroad tracks. Typical railroad crossing gates and flashers stop traffic at the railroad crossing. Special traffic signals called queue cutters control traffic. Motorists must wait for a train to pass and obey the railroad gates and flashers. Once a train passes, motorists must then obey the special traffic signals. Stop before the tracks on yellow and red. Proceed only on green. Groups of vehicles will be given turns to cross the tracks and proceed to the roundabout. Remember to obey the special traffic signals. Stop before the tracks on yellow and red. Proceed only on green. Once the queue cutter traffic signals at the railroad crossing release you on green, then you may proceed as normal towards the roundabout. As you continue on to the roundabout at Marquette Road, simply follow the same rules, signs, and markings. Choose your lane in advance. Slow down, yield at entry, stay in your lane and proceed. Exit in your lane to your destination.